Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we were talking about how there will be modifications to the taskbar in Windows 11. A lot of people asking for it to be much more customizable than it is now in Windows 11. And Microsoft has demonstrated on their X account what they are working on. And so here's the demonstration of the taskbar being moved around. They are saying that the taskbar might also behave and have the settings just like Windows 10 has right now. And they also are mentioning that the context menus that you see here are not going to be exactly like that. There will be more contextual menus when you right click on the taskbar, and they will change things around to make it more like what most people are asking. So this is going to be interesting. It's funny to look at it the way it is right now, except for that start menu, start button that is colored Windows 11. I have to say that what they're showing now seems to look like Windows 10 a lot more than Windows 11. So, anyways, we'll see what happens. But this is the demonstration they wanted to give and show people that they are serious and saying that they are fixing things, working around different settings, and changing, of course, the taskbar in this case. This is one example that they are showing here. So it's interesting. We'll see what happens. This should actually make it to the insider rings in not that long, and eventually make it, of course, to everyone. If not in the next few months, at least maybe for 26 H2 coming up this fall. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.